Tired of notifications from a busy Viber group or simply no longer need to be a part of conversation? Learn how to easily leave a group chat and clean up Viber inbox. Leaving a group chat on Viber removes you from that specific conversation. This means you will stop receiving new messages and alerts from it. The chat history for that group will also be deleted from your device. So, from the Viber app, go to the group chat you want to delete. There, swipe left or tap on the group name to open up options. In options, scroll down to the bottom. You should see two options there, one labeled Leave and Delete and the other labeled Leave and Delete Silently. As of now, you can use the second option only if you have Viber Plus. If you tap on Leave and Delete, you will be met with a confirmation prompt. Tap on Leave and Delete again. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!